All right, you have these four multiplication problems written on the board. I asked you to look at them and make some observations. Juliet, what can you tell me about those four problems? They all have what?
They all have dots instead of multiplication.
Okay, they all have dots for multiplication signs. Joe, what can you tell me about these four problems? They're all multiplication. Jonah.
The first problem has decimal.
Not decimals, that's somebody erased it.
Oh.
No, let me fix it because these knuckleheads in my first class can't keep their hands off stuff. There we go, that's a 5.
I observed that none of the questions have any numbers over.
Okay, none of the questions have any numbers over 20. Bree. They're all numbers. You are correct. Ava. Layla.
All of them have the number 5 in it.
They all have the number 5 in it. Interesting. Kaylin. I don't know, just tell me what you noticed. Same, difference?
I realized that all of them equal to 120.
All of them have a product of 120. All of them have a product of 120. Dallin? On Team Shaken, you can put your hands down.
They all equal something?
They do all equal 120. Which is all equal something. Grayson?
They all are multiplication problems.
They're all multiplication problems. Abby?
That the first one and the last one are asking the same thing. The last one is just simplified.
Okay. So the first one and the last one are asking the same thing. Explain that more to me here.
Because since you have to, when you're doing multiplication and you have more than one thing, you work from left to right.
Mm-hmm.
So you do 4 times 2 and that equals 8, and then you have 8 times 15, and the last one is 15 times 8.
All right, so they did 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 15, 15 times 8. Good. Any other observations? Jason.
The first question and the third question have 2's in them.
Okay, they have 2's in them. Joel?
The second and the fourth question both have 1's in them.
Okay, Michael?
You can simplify the first 3 to get 15 times 8.
Okay. You can simplify the first 3 to get 15 times 8 or put them together. Garrett?
None of the equations have the number 7 in them.
None have 7. Allie?
Problem 2 and 3 both have 3 and 5. 3 and 5 in the problem.
Okay. Bella?
The first 3 are multi-step.
First 3 are multi-step. Good. Layla?
Equation 3 has 4 numbers and the rest have 3 or 2.
Okay. All right, so let's look at this equation. We have 15 times 8. Kaylin already told us that they all equal 120. They all equal 120. Using the rest of these, is there a way to make 15? Okay, how would they make 15? So 3 times 5, and then 8 could be 2 times 4. So it's the same problem. But if you had a problem 3 times 8, it might be easier to break them into smaller numbers because y'all are better at multiplying by smaller numbers, especially when you turn your head and look over here between the windows. That's where the multiplication chart is. Okay, so just another strategy you can try as you are doing math and as you get older.